Good morning. This is call number 2020-24125 in the interest of Ray Davenport. All parties and witnesses, please unmute yourselves and raise your right hand to be sworn. Can you hear me, Ms. Jenkins? You need to unmute yourself. Press *6. There we go.
Yes,
All right. Raise your right hand to be sworn. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
All right, ma'am. Please state your name and your relationship to the child.
Felicia Jenkins, and I'm her mother.
All right. And representing the Attorney General, State of Texas.
Kavita Sharma, Your Honor.
Court will note that the non-custodial parent, Father Cedric Davenport, is not present. He was personally served on February 16th, 2022 at 11:31 a.m. at 6512 West Belford Avenue in Houston, Harris County, Texas. He has not appeared or filed an answer. Is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
He was further notified of this Zoom hearing by certified mail return receipt requested that was delivered on April 29th, 2022 in Houston, Texas. And he is not checked in, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Yes, Judge. I would like to call Felicia Jenkins.
All right.
Ms. Jenkins, how old is your daughter?
She's 4 years old.
And who is her father?
Cedric Davenport.
And how do you know he's the father?
We were in a relationship for about maybe 6 months, and he was the only one I was with at the time.
And are you asking the court to establish a legal relationship between Mr. Davenport and your child?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you asking the court to order that you and Mr. Davenport are appointed joint managing conservators of the child?
Yes.
And are you asking the court to appoint you as the primary conservator to determine the child's residence?
Yes, ma'am.
And when was the last time Mr. Davenport saw your daughter?
She was about 2 weeks old.
So, and are you asking the court to set up some phased-in visits for 12 periods before reverting to a standard possession order?
Yes.
12 periods each.
12 periods each, yes, Judge. And this is for your daughter to get to know Mr. Davenport, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you want these phased-in periods to have pickup and drop off at your residence?
Yes, please.
Thank you. And do you know where Mr. Davenport is currently employed?
Yes.
Where does he work?
He has a barbershop.
Do you know his income?
No, ma'am.
And because we don't have any wage information for him, you understand that we're going to order child support set at minimum wage.
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Davenport has other children, but they're all over 18 from your knowledge, correct?
I know there's some under 18, but yes.
Okay. And do you know how your child is covered under health insurance?
Yes, she has Medicaid.
Okay. Going back, I'm sorry, you said he has children under 18. Do you know anything about those children or if they live with him?
I believe they stay with either him or his mom. I don't think they're with the mother.
Okay.
They're 3 and 5. My baby's in between.
Okay.
He was married. Didn't know.
But as far as you know, he's not under any court orders to provide child support for those children.
Court orders for them.
Okay. And you understand the court is going to order that you maintain the health insurance for your child, correct?
Yes, that's fine.
And you're asking the court to order Mr. Davenport pay the medical insurance at $57 a month beginning June 1?
Yes, ma'am.
And you agree to pay half of any uncovered health costs, correct?
Absolutely.
And are you asking the court to set current child support at $217 beginning June 1?
Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Davenport did not sign the birth certificate and has not seen the child since she was 2. Has he provided any direct financial support for you since the child was born in 2017?
No, ma'am.
And are you asking for back support?
Yes, ma'am.
And you're asking the court to order back support in the amount of $11,718 since the child was born.
Yes, ma'am.
And you're asking the court to order that payout at $109 a month beginning June 1.
Yes, ma'am.
If court costs are billed, are you asking the court to have Mr. Davenport pay those?
Yes.
And you have reviewed and signed this order today?
Yes.
Thank you, Judge. I pass this witness.
Court will approve the order submitted. Thank you.